Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to set margins in Google Doc. Let's start the video. First, open Google Doc. Here you can see on the top left side file. Just click on file. Now on bottom you can see here page setup option. Just click on page setup. Now here in bottom you can see margins, inches, top, bottom, left, right. From here you can change the margin of the page like this and click on OK. Now you can see here the margins are applied. If you want to set as default, again go on file, go on page setup. Here click on set as default. Then click on OK. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.